Hello everyone, my name is Glenn Viana. I'm a senior test engineer at Entrust, and I'm here to go over the NGINX server nShield HSM integration with PKCS11. This is my NGINX Plus configuration, and I have the scripts here set up. I'm going to run inquiry here, so you can see that I have an HSM connected. Okay, I'm using version 12.6.11 of Security World client. Okay, and here's my HSM. This is a Connect XC. So we have the HSM connected. So the first thing I do is set up my HSM, my Security World file, in the module file. So that's set up. Then I'm going to perform module testing. So the first thing it does is generates a key using the module protection here. Here's the key. Okay, once the key gets generated, the next thing we do is we generate the certificate using that key. And we copy the certificate to this location here where OpenSSL is going to use it. And then we edit the configuration file on the NGINX side to use that certificate. So I have my certificate here, my module certificate, and here's the key. And this is how you set it up so it can read the key from the HSM using the accelerator token, which is the module. I tell what I'm using. So here, pretty much, and then I restart NGINX and I do the connection in SSL. As you see that here, I'm able to connect. I'm using my module certificate. You see that here also, and I'm able to get a session with the master key here from the HSM, and you can see that it's connected successfully. So now we're going to do soft card testing. So I'm going to run the soft card. Notice here that I changed my CKNFasterC file to be able to do load sharing, so I can see the soft card. I'm generating the key, password for the soft card. Now I'm gonna, you can see that it generated the key successfully. And now I'm getting to the certificate. The certificate gets generated also. Here's my certificate. Okay, and I'm using the soft card. Okay, and then I copy the certificate to the certificate array in OpenSSL. I edit my configuration file in NGINX to use the soft card certificate, and the key is stored in the HSM right here. Okay. One of the things when you use soft card, you're gonna have to preload before you invoke NGINX. So I'm gonna preload soft card and then invokes NGINX. Once that's done, NGINX is able to read the certificate and the key. I get the connection here. Again, you can see that I'm using the soft card. I got a key, the session, and it was successful. So the key about soft card protection is the preload that you have to do prior to invoke NGINX, restarting NGINX. So you have to preload the soft card with a file that contains the soft card passphrase encrypted, of course, and then you're able to do it. Now I'm waiting here to time out, finish up, and then we're going to do OCS protection. Now we're going to perform OCS testing, and I have an OCS card connected here to my laptop, and we're going to try to do it. Let's do it. We'll do slot number 2. formatting the card on my slot. Okay, I'm gonna enter the passphrase. This is, so I created the OCS. Now I'm gonna generate the key for the OCS card. Generate the key. I enter the passphrase. Okay, and you're gonna see the same thing again. We're gonna, after the key gets generated successfully, I'm gonna get the certificate from the key, and then here's my certificate. Okay, I'm using the OCS card here, and then I copy the certificate to the OpenSSL area, and then I added the configuration file in NGINX, and I tell it to use the OCS certificate and the OCS key in the HSM. Again, with OCS we have to do a preload. Okay, so I want to call the attention for the preload here before we restart NGINX. So I'm doing a preload to be able to see the OCS. So I'm going to enter the passphrase here, and then you can see the connection going through. So I connected. You can see that's using the OCS certificate. I'm able to connect. Here's the key, session, and it successfully connects. So that's pretty much it. That's how you configure the NGINX server, F5 NGINX Plus or NGINX open source, to use our PKCS Lab integration with the Entrust HSM. I hope this video helps you successfully integrate NGINX with our products. Thank you for watching.